Alright, good morning, kiddos. Happy Easter to the both of you. Hi! Happy Easter! So here is the Easter day. Alright, so today we're going to have an egg hunting. Stand up there. We're going to have a message from Daddy why we have Easter.
The Easter Sunday means the resurrection of Jesus Christ. You know what's resurrection? Egg hunting, or the egg symbolizes new life and rebirth. The egg symbolizes or represents the empty tomb of Jesus Christ. Who wants to get eggs at different location in our house?
Open the tomb.
One,
this is the tomb of Jesus to open.
2, 3, go! Happy egg hunting!
Good job! Good job. How many did you get, Sep? If your basket is full, you can get another basket.
The other one.
Wow, good job, little guy. There's more, huh?
Okay.
Here.
I'm gonna get another basket. I found the other one. I didn't get it.
Wow, you keep finding, Shane.
Oh, there's one.
Everything there.
Oh, I found it. I found it.
Oh, see?
Oh, there's one. That's
See?
all. You thought, bro. I'm supposed to be. Oh, there's one here. Oh, there's two of them. Nice. Found already. Get it.
Oh, sharing. Okay, go find. There.
Look over there. What's that? What's that? What's that? A green egg. Oh, I got it. Okay.
Go find.
Okay. You see that monster? The egg.
What monster the egg are you talking about?
This egg. I found an egg over there.
Oh.
You have it.
Oh. All right.
I think this one is the jackpot because it's heavy.
Right. We have here. Now we need to count how many eggs we got. Saying, count how many did you find?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, one more time. 1, 2,
3,
4. This one.
5, 6, 7.
7 eggs for Shane.
Can I open it?
Yes. What about Separate? How many eggs did you find?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wow! Very good naman si ate. Okay, now you can open your eggs. And then you can also eat your breakfast now.
Oh, like
What did you get? Ay, naku.
Oh my gosh, this is heavy.
Whoa! Congratulations! You can now put the candies in the basket.
Wait. You got it.
Oh, you got that? What's that?
I got
What's inside there? That you... Jackpot. Why is it a jackpot?
because it has like 2 eggs.
Put the candies here and then here's the
That's 2
shell.
coins, 4 eggs.
Alright, look at what Sephine got here.
Nope.
She got the jackpot.
Oh, got more.
You got more. How's the okra?
Great.
Okra. Now you're eating the egg that you found. That's okra and tuna. And Saint's favorite food is?
Spam.
Spam. Okay. Happy Easter Sunday. Thank you to Ate Kay.